Welcome. With this short video, we want to give you the opportunity to participate in our options trading alerts. My name is Thomas Barman. I'm going to be your presenter today, and I want to make you aware of the risk in trading and that I'm here as a trader and educator, not as a broker, dealer or financial advisor. Right from our research desk, the NeverLossTrading options alert. What's it going to do for you? First of all, it'll show you stocks and options with institutional engagement. So something is going on, somebody is investing in it or selling out of it, and it will be visible for you. And we show you where the investment went. In particular, when you look at the options, we show you to which expiration and which strike price. So the idea behind this is either we copy what we see on the alert, or we apply our own strategy knowing where things are going on. The NeverLossTrading options alert is produced in Excel, so you can easily play with it, and it gives you a lot of detail and overview. First of all, the symbols and their options, like here for example Amgen. Yesterday we found a lot of activity going on for the 18th September, 250 calls, and here we spell out the low and the high of the day, or open, high, low, the last price. So when we scanned, and bring that all into relation to the NeverLossTrading indicator. So you see here power tower or impact indications from the NeverLossTrading top line and many others that we highlight here. So you see what was the momentum of the underlying stock, what was the volatility behind it, and where does that lead to? What can we do on the basis of this information? Let us jointly work a little bit with that alert report. So we scroll down, and the first one we want to look at is CRM. So here I'll notch it up a little. So CRM, you see days to earnings 0.5. They had earnings yesterday after the market, and we saw a lot of positioning. I cut it short. Look at this here. September 4, 225 calls, and here substantial. September 18, 220 calls. 22,000 contracts went over the table. So that's a nice indicator, and you could have been part of this, engaging between $6 and $7 into the trade. The moment I record that is pre-market of August 26, and the stock's going to open at 244. Was that a valuable trade? Could that have paid for a program? Absolutely. Or we'll go up there, a trade which we want to do this morning. So here BBY, Best Buy. There was a lot of engagement found between the 4 September 115 calls and 116 calls. So you see the details here. And we're going to go and make a bull call spread between 112 and 115, trying to be part of that. So you see, we try to translate the action of the institutions with the direction into meaningful trades. And this far we did that very successfully and want to continue, and this is what we want to invite you in. There's lots of details. We can go deeper into it. You see the delta, you see the share price, you see the gamma of the option, because sometimes that's an important factor that we want to consider. All of that can be learned and obtained through the NeverLossTrading options alerts. Here are the stats of what we reached this far with the alert. So first of all, we did 60 trades in a matter of about 60 days, so more or less 1 per day or 1.2 per day, that's the exact. 43 were winners, 17 were losers. 74% was the average return on the winners, and 65% was the average loss on the losers. So definitely positive result. The average time in the trade was 11 days plus minus 11. So it means basically some, and it was only one of the 43, opened and closed the same day, and the rest took a couple of more days to come to target. But that's what we see, as you saw it from the report. Where do the institutions position? And we only traded options with applicable volume and open interest. That's what's all included in that scanner. And about 25% of the trades we adjusted, so that means most likely we rolled them forward because we saw the direction held. And 12% of the winners we adjusted, 40% of the losers. So on about the losers we cared a little more, but that also helped us to lose less share-wise than we gained. So what do we want to do with this? We want to work with you. We want to work on two levels. Level one is we want to test out with you the end of the day alert. It will be emailed to you and will be in your box in the morning. To do that, we need no credit card, no nothing, just a legit email and a legit name. Please trader@yahoo.com. No, that's not a legit name. Yeah, we want your first and last name and the legit email, and then we can be starting working together. Or you want to do level 2 intraday, so we'll shoot you information throughout the day of what we see, what is happening. There we need a phone number too, because we might need to text you so that the information gets to you on time and is not somewhere lost in action. Yeah, so no credit card needed. We'll do that all for free for you, see if we fit together, and then if we can work together in the future. In essence, we want to help you to find solid trading opportunities. And thus we share our algorithms and concepts to follow institutional money moves. When it works for you, we make you an offer of how we continue working together. If it does not work for you or you don't like it, there is no obligation. What are the next steps to take? And unfortunately, we can only offer this to a limited number of people. Write us an email, level 1 report, to receive end of the day report. It'll be early in the morning in your mailbox for the next day's action. If you like to act intraday, write dialogue into your subject line, and then we interact with you, tell you what we see throughout the day, and if we can capture jointly an opportunity. So we take the risk to work for free and want to get to know you and see if we jointly can develop something that is fruitful for both of us. We are looking forward to hearing back from you. Bye-bye.